Nature's unpredictability is what makes it truly mesmerizing. It can craft breathtaking beauty, yet it also has the force to unleash unimaginable devastation. In this video, we're bringing you the most jaw-dropping moments you've never witnessed. Let's get it on. An area of the Antarctic Ocean, on a solid ice shelf where a group of penguins stands on the brink of a perilous adventure, gazing down into the depths of the ocean. They know this is the final challenge before they leave their nesting ground on the ice island. Do you think so? Is there a penguin among them who is afraid of heights and teased by its fellow penguins for being too scared to jump? Oh wait, the penguins are being chased by seals. The mountain's had enough and decides to let go, sending snow cascading down like a natural cleanup crew. It's as if the mountain realized it was holding on to too much and said, "Time to make some space." Torrent of muddy water seems to lose all control, barreling down the channel like it's on a mission to redecorate the entire neighborhood. It's the kind of chaotic splash zone that leaves you wondering if your rain boots are up to the task. This massive tornado decided to sweep through town, giving everything a quick, forceful cleanup. After making its way through, it seems to have picked the field as its resting spot. Don't be fooled by its calm appearance in the field. This twister left quite the impression, showing that even nature likes to take a break after a whirlwind of activity. This tornado looks like it's decided to play a giant game of vacuum the neighborhood, but it seems to have gotten a little too enthusiastic. In a matter of moments, it sucked up dozens of roofs like they were nothing. Amid the chaos, his protective instincts kicked in, ensuring everyone stayed safe. In the midst of it all, his calm reminder shows that sometimes staying still is the safest move. When the massive earthquake hit, everything shook like a washing machine on spin cycle. Inside, furniture wobbled and things tumbled, while outside, a water pipe burst, turning the street into a sudden splash zone. Get ready for a wild ride. This video shows a cargo ship battling massive waves rocking like a toy boat. But for the crew, it's just another day at sea. Sit back, enjoy the show, and be glad you're on dry land. When a river decides it wants to expand its territory, even roads aren't safe. When Etna decides to throw a tantrum, it really goes all out. The mighty volcano in Sicily, Italy, unleashing its fiery fury with towering ash plumes and rivers of molten lava. It's like Mother Nature's own fireworks show, except you definitely don't want to get too close. Ever dreamt of roasting marshmallows over a volcano? Well, here's a stunning glimpse of Piton de la Fournaise on Reunion Island that might just tempt you, until you remember that it being roasted along with your marshmallow isn't exactly part of the plan. This explosive spectacle of nature is both awe-inspiring and a fiery reminder of Earth's raw power. Let's just keep our s'mores making a bit more down to earth, shall we? This isn't a typical beach day, unless your beach is a giant steel table in the ocean with waves that could star in a disaster movie. It's just testing out its new apocalyptic orange filter. This massive wildfire in the US is putting on a light show you won't forget, though it's a bit more intense than your average sunset. It looks like this car just got a free upgrade to abstract art windows thanks to a hailstorm that didn't hold back. Not everyone gets the chance to drive with a custom ice-cracked sunroof, though I'm sure the owner would have passed on the opportunity. This massive tornado isn't just any storm. It's Mother Nature showing off her latest twist and shout routine. She's really turning up the drama and leaving us all blown away by her performance. Talk about taking storm chasing to a whole new level. Just make sure you're watching this dance from a safe distance. Welcome to the wildest water park Mother Nature has to offer. Fences getting swept away, cars floating like bath toys, and surprise rivers running through your living room. Grab your life jacket and enjoy the ride, because this tour's all thrills and no breaks. Remember, the splash zone is everywhere.